Attention, New York promoters and artists. Bring your crew with you and take a trip to the Backyard TV Lounge. Use the opportunity to inform our viewers about your upcoming events, your music, etc. while we tape the next episode of Backyard TV. The Backyard TV Lounge is located at 727 East 236th Street at Furman Avenue, 1 block from White Plains Road, where the Backyard television programs are taped. Yeah man, big things are going on inside the lounge. Always great music plus domino and other games. Free admission to support the bar. To schedule for you and your crew, call Mr. Owner at 917-913-4516. We all about peace, love, and respect. Yeah man, it's a big thing for the community to help you to get the necessary exposure that you need. The Backyard TV Lounge is where the Backyard television programs are taped and shown on Channel 68 in the Bronx every Saturday, 10:30 p.m. Check out our website, backyardtv.net, or check out the Backyard TV channel on YouTube and on Facebook.
It's real nice. You got a bar in the studio. You see what I'm saying? You don't get that anywhere else. A bar in the studio. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's nice. I like the setup and everything. And of course, we got the music. The music tough, man. You don't get this anywhere else besides Backyard.
Being here, big and serious, and my bossy with it. I always bossy with things like this because I just love entertainment. I just love the food that I'm outside. Come and get a fish just now. My fish was with crackers and some greens. I don't want nothing else. Mr. Howell, you see you? You're the architecture for the entertainment thing.
I'm in Backyard right now, enjoy Backyard. I'm big up Backyard TV for years and years, you know.
Big up yourself, Backyard TV, full effect.
It's not like when you bring people and people together, you know.
So I'm very glad I come because I'm having a real good time over here, you know. A lot of everything, and it won't be finished right now.
This is the best place to be.
This is really back home barbecue.
Yeah, it is.
Right. The real down home back home.
So we in our backyard, I chill, I eat some food,
Yes.
I drink some manish water, and I drink some juice.
Some juice.
I mean some NSC, some stout, and we are listening to some mood music.
Yes.
I feel a thing.
Backyard TV, you're large and in charge. Living truth to that.
Mwah.
Big up Backyard TV!
Enjoy Backyard to the maximum capacity.
And I'm happy to be here enjoying the happening right here at Backyard.
I love this what you're doing right now, because right now, in a time like this when we don't have nowhere to go and my clothes on all of the clubs, I want to joy, one of the Saturday, one of the joy right now, so right now, we can have somewhere to come, and his family, everything is nice.
Well, like Backyard TV, big up for everything.
Yeah, of course, my job 5'6".
Big up to Backyard TV, doing it big all the time. I'm offering my expertise on the domino table tonight.
Jerk chicken, jerk pork, curry chicken, curry goat, barbecue chicken, macaroni and cheese and salad and goat head soup.
Oh, okay. Delicious.
Wonderful.
And I give you a big kiss. Mwah. Yeah.
The vibe is nice. Backyard TV, live. Soaking in the vibe, you know. I'll come back again and I'll stop come. Vibe is sweet. Love Howie. And one large job make Garifuna community out there. Labuga East and the Rest Queen, the whole crew. Garifuna vibe in the house. Jalov, blessed.
Big up Backyard TV.
Alright.
It's Backyard TV, what else?
This is the new Backyard TV studio. Alright? Enjoy life, love life, live life, everything.
Backyard, you don't know. You don't make your name already. So big up.
You have a different accent from Jamaican accent. Where are you from?
Belize.
Belize.
Yes, I'm a Garifuna, Caribbean Indian, mixed with Arawak, you know? Yeah, straight up Garifuna. Yes, I am.
All right, Benny's in the house. Big up to the man himself, the owner man for the owner house. All right? So make sure, say, when you come out, and come enjoy the Backyard TV bar, because we have a bar around here, we have a studio around here, we have everything around here.
But they are all have vibes, you know, because you know the thing go. Backyard something mad rush with they are all have vibes, you know the thing go. Backyard, that we say, and I hear so in Backyard all have vibes, you see it? Yeah.
It's very good, very good. Nice vibes right here, 727 236th Street. Backyard, your thing I go on so. Sell off, Irie.
There we have everything in the backyard. So anything you want, it's there in the backyard.
Backyard TV, you know, from long, me love after me. You know, I was watching her every Tuesday night.
Now we know.
I love it. I love it. Anything backyard TV do, me love it.
Pure love in the backyard. All right, so let me tell you, all of the people, when you guys see the backyard TV camera, don't be scared. It's backyard TV. It's just like in your backyard. All right?
Backyard TV was one of the first people to play my video.
Boss man, you won't get in trouble.
You are the father.
I know. I'm telling you. The baby is not even a jacket. The baby is a full suit, vest cut and all, you know?
Yeah, best man is in the building. Listen, I'm the guard dog for the backyard. You see what I'm saying?
All right.
We're and nephew also, you know, we have that in the back.
All right, we have the rum, we have the Bacardi, we have the NSC, we have the stout, by the red stripe.
We have it all
Guinness,
at the backyard. Guinness,
everything, there. So even if
I know. You over there and I'm over there.
You look nice doing here, man.
I know. Yeah, definitely.
Like the training and everything.
This is nice.
Tell a friend for tell a friend. For tell a friend for tell a friend.
All right, I make sure someone come over drinking in the backyard studio.
Definitely.
All right, someone can come sing on a tune.
Manage water every week and fish every week.
Yes,
all right,
yes.
you see. All right, so you can't lose. It's a win-win situation.
Yep, you can't lose that backyard.
All right.